Hello everyone and welcome to this session on emerging tools and technology for maintaining cybersecurity part 2. I am Dr. Shilpa Aneja, Assistant Professor, School of Computer Science and Information Technology, Uttarakhand Open University. The learning objective of this lecture are that we will learn about three important cybersecurity tools and technologies. The first one is zero trust architecture, which means no user or device is trusted automatically. Everything must be verified before access is given. This helps protect financial system from internal and external threats. A tool that supports zero trust architecture is Okta, which control who can access what. The next is quantum safe cryptography, which protect data from powerful future quantum computers. These computers could break today's encryption. So we need stronger future-proof algorithms. PQ Shield is a company that helped build this kind of security. Lastly, we will learn about multi-factor authentication and biometrics to improve the security by requiring more than one way to verify identity, like a password plus a fingerprint. This make it harder for hacker to get it. Due security is a tool that help manage multi-factor authentication easily and securely. In the last lecture, we learned about the basic concept of emerging tools and technology for maintaining cyber security and two important technology. The first one is artificial intelligence and machine learning, and the benefit of artificial intelligence and machine learning, and the tool used to implement this is Darktrace. The second one we have learned about blockchain technology, its benefits, and the tools for blockchain is IBM blockchain. Now let's start with zero trust architecture. Zero trust architecture is a modern security approach that follow the principle of never trust, always verify. This means that no user or device or a system is trusted automatically, even if it's inside the organization's network. Every access request must be checked and verified, no matter where it comes from. So, one important part of zero trust architecture is called micro-segmentation. This technique breaks the large network into a smaller one. Secure transactions. Uh, in financial systems, this helps prevent attackers from moving around freely if they manage to get in. For example, even if a hacker accesses one part of the network, they can't reach other part without going through more layer of security. Another key feature is multi-factor authentication. This adds extra step when login, such as entering a password and then a code is sent to your phone or email. In banking, this is especially important because it makes it much harder for criminals to steal accounts or access sensitive information. Zero trust architecture is very useful in the finance industry. It helps protect mobile banking apps where users handle money on their phones, and it also keeps trading platforms secure where large financial transactions happens quickly. With zero trust architecture, banks and financial institutions can better protect customer data, prevent frauds, and reduce the risk of costly cyber attacks. Some of the leading company that provide zero trust architecture is tools include Okta, Palo Alto Network, or scalar. These vendors offer solutions that help organization apply zero trust principle easily and effectively. So, the benefit of zero trust architecture are using the model never trust always verify. This means that no user device or system is trusted by default even if it's inside the organization's network. One of the main benefit of this approach is microsegmentation, which divide the network into a smaller section to limit the access and contain potential threats. Uh, if the attacker gets into one part of the network, microsegmentation prevent them from moving freely to other areas. Another key benefit is multi-factor authentication, which adds extra layer of security by requiring user to verify their identity in more than one way, such as entering password and a one-time code. This makes unauthorized access much harder. Zero trust also improve the organization's security posture, maintaining strengthen overall defenses against cyber threats. With granular access control, user can get access to the specific data or system they need, reducing the chance of accidental or intentional misuse. Finally, one of the biggest advantage is reduce impact of breaches. Even if a breach does happen, zero trust limit the damage by stopping it from spreading across the network. Together, these benefits make zero trust a powerful and proactive way to secure modern digital systems. Let's understand how Okta works to implement zero trust architecture. The first step is to understand your organization's needs. Be- Begin by listing all the applications, users, and device that require secure access. Then identify which of these areas need stronger login protection, such as multi factor authentication, to reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Next, it's time to set up Okta. Start by creating an admin account which will allow you to manage the platform. Connect Okta to your existing system like your HR software or email services, so everything works together smoothly. Then add users and organization them into a groups based on their roles or departments, which will help control who can access what. After setting up, move on to applying security settings. Turn on MFA to add an extra layer of protection to the user logins. You can also set login policies based on things like users location, device type, or the time of day. Use the least privilege model to limit the access so users only see the tools and the data they need for their job, nothing more. Once your settings are in place, test and train. Start by testing and login process with a small group of users to catch any issue. Fix problems as they come up and make sure everything works smoothly. Then train your staff on how to use Okta and how to complete MFA steps during the login. Finally, go live and monitor. Roll out Okta for the entire organization. Use Okta's reporting tools to keep an eye on user activity and security events. As your company grows or changes, continue updating or setting up uh, stay secure and efficient. Finally, go live and monitor. Roll out Okta for the entire organization. Use Okta's reporting tools to keep an eye on user activity and security events. As your company grows or changes, continue updating your settings to stay secure and efficient. The next one is quantum safe cryptography, which is also known as post quantum cryptography, is a branch of cryptography that focus on developing secure algorithms that can resist. The next one is quantum safe cryptography, that is also known as post quantum cryptography, is a branch of cryptography that focus on developing secure algorithm that can resist the power of quantum computer. Traditional cryptography methods like RSA and ECC, which are secure against classical computers, become vulnerable when explored to quantum algorithms such as Shor's algorithm, which can break these encryptions quickly by factoring large numbers. This is why quantum safe cryptography is crucial. It aims to protect our digital information from the threats posted. The main goal of quantum safe cryptography includes protecting digital systems from quantum attacks, ensuring long-term confidentiality of data, and preserving the integrity and authenticity of information in the world where quantum computers is a reality. In essence, it is about future proofing our digital security against the next generation of computational power. Quantum safe cryptography provides several important benefits that help protect our digital world in the future. One major advantage is long-term data protection, which ensures that sensitive information remains private and secure for many years, even when powerful quantum computers arrive. It also helps in future-proofing systems by preparing our digital infrastructure for the advanced threats that quantum computers could pose. Another key benefit is secure digital transformation as technologies like cloud computing, Internet of Things, and AI continues to grow. Quantum safe computers make sure that the data and communication are well protected. It also builds customer trust by ensuring long-term privacy and showing that companies care about data security. Moreover, it supports business uh, continuity by helping organizations make a smooth and secure shift to quantum resistance system, avoiding sudden disturbance. All of these benefits together make quantum safe cryptography a critical tool for a secure digital future. PQ Shield is a cybersecurity company based in the UK that focus on protecting digital systems from future threats caused by quantum computers. Uh, funded in Founded in 2019, the company is a global leader in post-quantum cryptography, a type of encryption that stays secure even when powerful quantum machines become available. PQ Shield actively work with international organizations like NIST to help create global PQC standards. Company offer a wide range of products that work in software, hardware, and cloud systems. Some of their key products include PQ Crypto Live, a lightweight encryption library for small devices like smart sensor. PQ SDK, which easily adds PQC to software that uses OpenSSL. PQ platform, which provide hardware solution like PQC engines and accelerator. PQ perform, which is a built for high speed PQC use in large companies, and Ultra PQ suite, a full package for setting up PQC across an entire system. Overall, PQ Shield is helping to secure our digital future by making quantum safe cryptography, uh, digital future by making quantum safe technology practical and accessible. The next one is multi-factor authentication and biometric security are important tool used to keep our online accounts safe, especially in banking and financial apps. MFA means using more than one way to prove your identity before you can log in. For example, you might enter your password and then receive a one-time code on your phone or email to complete the login. Biometric security uses things like your face, fingerprint, or even your eye to confirm it's really you. These tools add extra layer of protection, making it much harder for hackers to break it in. Today, many banks are moving towards passwordless logins that are biometric, that use biometrics and mobile tokens instead of passwords. Popular tools that help with MFA and biometric includes Duke Security offer secure MFA with push notification, Ubico, which USB based security key for quick strong logins, and Open Login simplifies secure login with cloud based MFA and identity management. The learning objective of this lecture, we explore key cybersecurity concept and successfully achieved important learning outcomes. First one is we understood zero trust architecture, and which protect systems by never automatically trust users or devices. We also saw how tools like Okta help applying the model efficiently. Then we learn about quantum safe cryptography, which develops secure algorithm that can resist quantum computers attacks. We looked at PQ Shield as a tool to supporting this approach. Next one, we discuss about how multi-factor authentication and biometrics add an extra layer of security by requiring more than just a password, like fingerprint or app verification. Tools like Duke Security make it easy to manage these features. Overall, we now understand how these modern tools and technologies work together to strengthen digital security. In the next lecture, we will learn about advanced cybersecurity practices. Thank you.